Hi friends, do you ever struggle with your eyebrows? I do too, and wanted to try out the Perfect Eyebrows by iMethod Beauty. Let's see what's inside. Look how cute that is. Okay, let's open it. So it comes with a sponge and a little spoolie. Comes with, ooh, stencils. I have the shade number 5 stickers. My kids are gonna love these. And tweezers. Freaking awesome. And it comes with a little instruction pad. I love that. Different shapes and styles. I think this is the one we're gonna go for. 2 in both sets. Beautiful shade. Let's see. So I'm gonna line up my arch to where the arch is there, the tail, and down to where my eyebrow starts. There. Oh, tap, 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 tap. Get up to the front. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, I think it's time to see if it worked. Ready? Look at that. Look at that. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready to go?